Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you Miele washing machine error code F138. How do you fix it? So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the F138 error code indicates that there's been a water leak triggering the flood switch in the washer's base. Now to fix this, start by ensuring the safety. Unplug the washer from its power source and prevent any electrical hazards. Now proceed to address the issue. Gently tilt the washer backward at a 45-degree angle. This allows to any accumulated water in the base tray to drain out effectively. Keep a towel handy to manage any spillage. Now once the water has drained completely, carefully turn the washer to its upright position. Reconnect the washer to power and turn it back on. The step is crucial as it aims to reset the error code. Now test the washer by running a cycle to assess its performance. With luck, this action alone may resolve this issue, especially if it's an isolated incident. Now, however, if the error persists, it indicates a potential ongoing leak problem. In this case, it's important to delve deeper and investigate the source of the leak. Conduct a true examination of the washers to identify any areas or components where leakage may be occurring. Now, once the source of the leak is identified, take appropriate measures to address and rectify the issues. This may involve repairing or replacing faulty components to ensure the washers operate safely and efficiently. In this case, keep a close eye on the washer's performance after addressing the leak issue. If any further problems arise, seek professional assistance to ensure the washer is functioning properly and to prevent any potential damages or safety hazards. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.